Hey guys, welcome to another Let's Play video. Well, not Let's Play, but I need to tell you something important. I found fman's new account, new username, but I think it is true anyways. And if you haven't saw, I've got a raffle blanket now, so that's great. So here is his user. So I was just searching up for fman. I was like plans for you, and then I kept doing that and that and that, and I kept doing that. That's what I normally do. And then this is what happened. Yeah. That is what happens. Oh gosh. I think he hacked somebody. I think he did. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. Oh no! No! No, it's not gonna work. So anyways, he might get banned. Wait. So this report, you are inappropriate username. No.
You stink, bruh. Me and Freya, not you.
There we go. Great for me because I have a normal world. Okay, yeah, if you haven't saw my creepypasta, then yeah. So, if you ever see this person on mine, just don't. Just don't trust them because they can be the hacker, and I think they have hacked someone because they sent a jamagram, probably gifting it. Let's see if we can find any more.
Original British drama now on BBC One for Ash. It's personal and it ends right here. The last.
That is crazy.
The interceptor.
Oh, that is just crazy.
Wait, get down! What are you doing?
Add. Not crazy. I don't know.
Cheeky bastard!
Don't play wild. I want to try and get a spike.
It's on next Friday at that MTV.
So yeah.
Get down!
Let's see. I'm gonna be my wolf article. That's normally my main animal now. No, I'm crazy. What's your best time in front of truck? Play a round or two, deep blue, then shout out time. What? I don't get it. I don't care. Let's see, where's my, get that out of the way. I'm gonna look normal now. Like my normal way thing. I'm just gonna be random. I didn't really know what to do, which is quite weird. I'm gonna go to, and no, I don't wanna go to a shop. By the way, please can you like gift me? I'll like if you do, to say that it's for like a nail time video or something like that. It's just so I know. With what? What? What is... He's been online. How would you get, like... How would you get... Whatever. Okay, if I go to the world and go to something, say, please can you gift me a spike? Hello. Hello, random people. So let's see. I think that person just saw me still. Who cares? Hello, 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 smile. Okay, well, it can also show you on how to get a spike. So go to someone's den, which is unlocked, and they have a spike. This really doesn't work, but yeah, it can still work, probably. Or you can go to a den, whatever you want. I kind of need a spike, so I'm gonna get a spike in a minute if I see someone with a spike. Happy llama, sad llama, really, really crazy llama. Happy llama, sad llama, annoyingly disturbed llama, super llama. Oh, me too! Shout out to all of you because you're going, oh gosh. Sad llama, happy llama, annoyingly disturbed llama. I can't. Well. Woo, AJ! Oh no.
She's doing it seriously.
Oh. I'm just gonna say I am recording. I am recording.
What's worse, you cunt?
Language people. I could get adopted, but I can't. I will go later and get adopted. Oh no. No, my thing. Oh, the love. No! That. I'm gonna do a creepy pasta. Really want to do one now. Right. Oh, it's so loud. Okay. So 2 things if you okay. I'm just gonna shut my music up. So if you see this guy, just right. The eyes are crazy, okay? Just go somewhere else if you see a lost jammer. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, this song called The Lost Jammer. Right, I'm going out to the Lost Jammers then. Okay, so, well, I guess it's the end of the video now, so sorry, bye.